In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two indicators in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to make one indicator use the values of another, which is a great way to build smarter signals without writing any code. First, open your chart in TradingView with the two indicators you want to combine. For this walkthrough, I'll use the popular pair RSI and MACD. Make sure both are already added to your chart so you can reference one from the other. You'll typically see RSI in its own pane and MACD in another. That's perfect for what we're about to do. Now, we're going to have the RSI use the MACD as its input. To do that, move to the RSI panel and look for its label at the top. You'll see a small gear icon right above the indicator. That's the settings button. Click the gear to open the RSI settings. Inside the settings, stay on the Inputs tab. You'll find a field called Source. By default, this is usually set to close, meaning the RSI is calculated from price closes. We're going to change that. Click the source dropdown to reveal more options. In the dropdown, you'll see a list of available sources, and under indicator values, you should see options related to MACD. Choose MACD or the specific MACD component you want to reference, such as the MACD line, the signal line, or the histogram. Selecting the MACD line is a common choice. What this does is instruct RSI to compute its values based on MACD instead of price, effectively giving you an RSI of MACD. It's a powerful way to smooth noise and spot momentum shifts more clearly. Once you've picked the MACD source you want, finalize the change by clicking OK. Your chart will update immediately. You'll notice RSI remains in its own pane, still bounded between 0 and 100 as usual, but now it reflects the momentum of the MACD rather than raw price. If the plot doesn't change, double check that MACD is added to the chart and that you selected the correct MACD item in the dropdown. A couple of quick tips to make this work even better. Consider adjusting RSI length if you want a faster or slower response to the MACD, and remember that combining indicators doesn't guarantee signals. It's meant to refine what you already see. Also, if your scale looks odd, try auto-scaling the panes so everything is readable. That's it. You've combined two indicators in TradingView by feeding one into the other through the source setting, and you did it in just a few clicks.